So today I found myself asking a strange question. And this question is, am I good enough for the world stage? Am I good enough? And I wanted to inform you how to react to some situations. So I joined the ReFocus Awards, which is the biggest awards that I've ever joined. It's worldwide, a worldwide award show. And I noticed that in the voting for the People's Awards, that my photos weren't there. I searched and I eventually emailed them and I said, oh, I want to participate in the People's Vote Awards, meaning I want to get support from people, from my country probably, so that I can, like gain a good amount of votes and I can become competitive. Where's a link that I can share? Then I was informed that your photos were not selected, or your photos were not nominated as being eligible for even the People's Vote Awards. Now, I'll tell you what, when I put the photos on screen, these are the most devastating photos that I've ever taken. They communicate across languages, across cultures. Do you see? I never even state anything about the photo, but it gives a communication. These photos have taken me to the finals. I was top photographer at the WITS University Awards last year, and then I was third best this year. Off of these photos, WITS University is the second best university on my continent according to the online rankings. So it's a good award. And what I was told then is that I'm not good enough out of, what looks like 200 people to even reach the bottom. And that pissed me off. Now, the way one could react is becoming sad and upset. Yes, be upset for a moment. But realize that if the ReFocus Awards reject you, how many other awards exist? So, my reaction to this is, before the year ends, I'm going to enter 100 awards. And let's see if I don't qualify, God damn it. And after winning a couple of awards, because I don't have a confidence problem. After winning a couple of awards, I want to take a screenshot and say, listen guys, something is amiss if I didn't get into the rankings. Because the truth is, something is amiss. The reason I'm sharing this with you is, one should be okay with having confidence. Yeah, you shouldn't be not okay with it. We're taught humility, at least in our culture over here. There's different countries. But in our culture over here, we're taught humility. However, this can take away from you seeing something that is wrong. Your humility can stop you from observing the obvious, from actually processing truth. And the truth of the situation is, when I take a photo, it communicates. It is fine art, and it is something that can be sold, and is going to be sold in America. I've got a channel where there's a particular lady who's been in the fine art realm, and she's going to sell my photos for thousands of dollars. And if I show you pictures that were taken, that were put before mine, it's not, you'll see what I mean, But here's the idea. Get angry, get pissed off. When the gods deem you unworthy, force yourself into worthiness and show them that, no, listen, if I've won 100 different awards, damn you, look closer at my work next time. Yeah. Speaking of which, this morning I got a notification from 2 of the awards that I joined, and I won 13th place out of 17,000 people in one of them, and I was given a high commendation by one of the experts from could be National Geographic, could be, I need to see which expert it is, but could be National Geographic, could be New York Times, like photographers from these like highly esteemed places. I was highly commended, and I was marked as a top 25% level photographer among 17,000 worldwide competitors. So you know what? It cannot be. I'm going to enter 100 awards. I'm going to win 100 awards. You know, could be number 13, could be number 3, but I'll tell you what, number 1 will come to me, God damn it. And that's the appropriate reaction.